Hello students, today we are going to learn some objective questions, some important questions for the examination. The question is, if a person has the skill of understanding to motives, feelings and behaviors of other people, he or she is said to have, the options are A. Interpersonal intelligence, B. Intrapersonal intelligence, C. Linguistic intelligence, D. Social intelligence. The answer is A. Interpersonal intelligence. Next question. Value and judgment of a person about himself or herself is called dash. The answer is self-esteem. Value judgment of a person about himself or herself is called self-esteem. Next question. The state of physical, emotional and psychological exhaustion is known as A. Resistance, B. Stress, C. Burnout, D. Coping. The answer is C. Burnout. Next question. Compulsive behavior is the inability to stop thinking about a particular idea or topic. Is true or false? The answer is false. Next question. A false belief that is firmly held on inadequate grounds is known as, the answer is delusion. Next question. Empathy. Empathy means understanding things from other person's perspectives. Is true or false? The answer is true. Next question. Schemas that function in the form of categories are called, the answer is prototypes. Next question. Collection of people assembled for a particular purpose is called an, the answer is audience. Okay. The next question is, dash is the study of the relationship between living beings and their environment. The answer is ecology. The next question is, the ability of a counselor to reflect on what the client says and feels using different words is known as, the options are A. Decoding, B. Communication, C. Listening, D. Paraphrasing. The answer is paraphrasing. D. Paraphrasing. Some short questions are, next question. Explain pervasive development disorder. This is from psychological disorder. The answer is pervasive developmental disorder is a serious disorder in children, and the most common one is autistic disorder or autism. These disorders are characterized by serious issues with social interaction and communication skills, stereotyped patterns of behavior, interests and activities. Okay. The next question. Explain binge eating. This is from chapter 4, psychological disorder. The answer is binge eating is a type of eating disorder. In binge eating, there are frequent episodes of out of control eating. Next question. What is essential anxiety? The answer is essential anxiety is a neurotic anxiety of spiritual origin. Neurotic anxieties arise when the problems of life are attached to the physical, psychological, or spiritual aspects of one's existence. Okay. The next question is, what is meant by compliance? This is from chapter 7, Social Influence and Group Processes. The answer is compliance refers to behaving a particular way in response to a request made by someone. For example, you may sign the letter with the thought that you were accepting the request, not because you agree with the other students, but because you have requested to do so by a significant member. Okay. The next question. Explain crowding. This is from chapter 8, Psychology and Life. The answer is crowding to a feeling of discomfort because there are too many people or things around us, giving us the experience of physical restriction and sometimes the lack of privacy. Crowding is the person's reaction to the presence of a large number of persons within a particular area or space. When this crowd becomes large, it causes stress to individual caught in the situation. In this sense, crowding is another example of an environmental stressor. Okay. Next question. State 2 advantages of using observation as a technique. This is from Self and Personality chapter. The answer is observation of behavior serves as the basis of behavioral analysis. With carefully designed observation, the clinical psychologist may gain considerable insight into a client's personality. Okay, these are the very short question. The marks are 2. Okay. Okay, students, that's all. Thank you.